Namaskar. According to Ayurveda, earth has quite a lot of purifying quality, and when you apply Multani Matti or Fuller's earth, you can actually feel this purification taking place. Today, I am going to tell you about its benefits and how to use it. First, let's understand what is exactly this Multani Mitti. It looks like a simple brownish clay, but it has a power to pull oil, dirt, impurities right out of your skin and scalp. Recent scientific studies found an abundance of bioactive compounds, including beta sitosterol and a high silicon content. This mitti has quality which can directly stop skin aging and pigmentation. There is also a secret about it that goes far beyond beauty. Stay with me till the very end to know more about Multani Mitti. Now, how do we actually use it? Let's begin with your face. On hot day, apply a cool paste of 2 teaspoons of Multani Mitti mixed with 1.5 teaspoons of rose water. As it begins to dry, you feel a gentle tightening, almost as if the clay is lifting away the day's heat, oil, and the stress. Since the mask makes facial muscles tight as it dries, do not smile or talk while that's happening. It may leave wrinkles or marks on your skin. Wash it off after 7 to 8 minutes. Remember, don't let it become too dry. Use once or twice a week. This simple mask can reduce acne, fade scars, and gives a nice glow. But here's the beauty of Multani Mitti. It may transform depending on what you add to it. Mixed with neem, it becomes powerful spot treatment for pimples. Blend it with papaya or yogurt and it works as a brightening mask. Combine it with honey or aloe vera and suddenly it is a soft moisturizing pack for dry skin. And orange peel or oatmeal and it turns into gentle exfoliator. You see how it can adapt so easily. And just understand, we must not stop at the face. For the body, try this. Mix 3 tablespoons of Multani Mitti, 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder and a pinch of turmeric with milk or rose water. Spread it on your arms, neck, back and leave it for 20 minutes. What happens is the skin feels cooler, softer and brighter as though summer's heat and dust have been washed away. Your scalp can also benefit from this mitti. Soak 4 tablespoons of Multani Mitti in half a cup of water for 2 to 3 hours. Then add half a lemon juice. Apply this paste to the scalp and leave it for 20 minutes and then rinse it. Dandruff reduces, excess oil disappears, and your scalp will feel refreshed. Traditionally, families will use this with Rita and Shikakai as a shampoo to wash hair naturally, leaving it silky and shiny. And for those with excessively oily scalp, Multani Mitti can act like a natural dry shampoo when rubbed lightly into the roots and dusted off. It absorbs grease and refreshes your hair instantly. But there is more. A blend with cucumber juice and aloe vera calms sunburn and heat rashes. A thin layer under your eyes with rose water reduces puffiness. Mixed with papaya pulp and honey, it lightens pigmentation. These are simple ways of letting nature restore balance. Of course, as with natural remedies, there are cautions. Multani Mitti absorbs oil strongly, so if your skin is already dry or sensitive, it may be too harsh. Overuse can lead to flakiness, so moderation is important. Once or twice a week is enough. Adjust the recipe to your skin type. Honey and milk for dry skin, rose water and lemon for oily skin, and always remember, it is only for external use. Now, as I told you in the beginning, here is the secret. Multani Mitti is not about glowing skin or shiny hair. Historically, during wartime, soldiers carried it to soothe their sores, inflamed feet after long march, In some places, thick packs of Multani Matti was applied over swollen joints to reduce heat and inflammation. This technique is still used in naturopathy clinics. Actually, it can be used even to clean your jewelry. In industry, it is used to clean up filter oil, spins and purify substances. So Multani Mitti is not just a beauty aid, it is a universal purifier. It cleans the skin, it refreshes the body, it purifies the environment. But you must be careful and identify genuine Multani Mitti, which has a strong earthy smell, like the fragrance of the first rain. Its texture is soft and its color is naturally beige or light brown. Our ancestors trusted the rhythm of nature and found solution in the simplest of things. They didn't just treat beauty as vanity. It was part of wellness, part of living in tune with environment. In yoga, we say that taking care of your body is responsibility, and using natural remedies like Multani Mitti is the way of respecting that responsibility. The healing properties of this mitti connects us to our soil, to our roots. True care need not be complicated. Sometimes it only takes a handful of earth. Namaskar.